Are you tired of deleting Salesforce reports one by one for hours? Learn how to mass delete all your unwanted reports in under 2 minutes. I'll show you the exact steps to use the Mass Delete Records tool. First, access Advanced Setup. Then find the Mass Delete option. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right to open Quick Settings. Then, from the drop-down, select Open Advanced Setup. In the Quick Find box, type Mass Delete to filter the setup options. From the search results, click on Mass Delete Records. Then choose Mass Delete Reports from the list of Mass Delete options. Click on the first drop-down that says None and select Report Name. Then click on the second None drop-down and choose Equals. Finally, type the report name you want to delete. For example, All Contacts, in the last box. Now, click Search to find matching reports. Once the results appear, click the Toggle All Rows checkbox to select every report. Finally, click Delete, and your records will be permanently removed. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.